have just completed this fantastic new business park here in Nant y Cafn, Seven Sisters, which consists of 6 modern industrial units. This is a great example of how we are supporting local businesses and local employment. In fact, we've been inundated with businesses wanting to move in. This shows how important it is that we invest in places like this to support our communities. So let's go and meet them.
Yeah, my name is Ian Harcourt. The company that I work for or represent is Harcourt Colour Print. Locality was the primary sort of goal. We live sort of in the area. So it's locality. All the staff members are in the Dilys Valley, and there's no company offering what we offer within the Dilys Valley. So that was a massive draw. The size of the units were perfect. The solar panels were a massive draw as well, because with our sort of presses, it's a massive electricity saving month on month.
Yeah, so Emma and Francis, we have a property development and business consultant placed here in Seven Sisters now, working with all the local builders, local trades to help improve energy efficiencies in housing in the locality. So we've also got the EV chargers here, which is great, which again encourages more people to be more environmentally friendly. Living in Seven Sisters itself, it's great to have this kind of facility, and I'm hoping for some vibrancy here where there is going to be a lot of to and fro in, and of course there'll be collaboration with other businesses whilst we're here.
Supporting local businesses and giving them opportunities to flourish is central to our work as a council. Developments like this play an important role in providing high quality workspaces that enable local companies to grow, innovate and create jobs.